You're watching videos every day on YouTube, but here's the crazy part. Most people never realize YouTube isn't just for watching. It's a money machine, a real one that pays real cash. And no, I'm not talking about AdSense pennies. I'm talking about 5 powerful income streams, the ones real creators, small and big, are using to quit their jobs, go full-time, or stack serious side income. And today I'm breaking them all down, step by step. If you ever thought, how can I actually make money on YouTube? This is your blueprint. Whether you got 10 subscribers or 10,000, these methods work. You don't need a silver play button. You don't need viral hits, and you definitely don't need to wait for the algorithm to pick you. You just need the right monetization model matched with the kind of content you're already making. So let's dive in. 5 ways to make money on YouTube, starting now. This one should be illegal. It's that powerful. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product and get paid when somebody buys through your link. But here's what no one's telling you. It's not about pushing random products. It's about aligning the product with what your viewers already want. Let's say you review cameras. Link to your gear. Every sale equals a commission. Do tutorials. Link to the tools or templates that you're using. Even lifestyle creators. You can link books, wellness products, your desk setup, Amazon, Skillshare, Canva, Notion, they all have affiliate programs. Your job, make the recommendation feel like a natural extension of the video. Provide value first, then a clean, helpful link in the description. Method 2, digital products. This is how small channels make big money. Digital products are anything you can sell online with no inventory, no shipping, and no overhead. Think ebooks, templates, Notion dashboards, courses, cheat sheets, presets, fonts. The key is to make it super specific. Instead of my editing presets, try the presets I use to edit reels in just 3 minutes flat. If people are watching your video to learn or to be inspired, they'll pay for a shortcut. You make it once, sell it forever. Passive income that stacks. And it works in almost every niche. Method 3, sponsorships. This is the one everybody chases, but most creators wait too long. You don't need 100,000 subscribers to land your first brand deal. You just need 3 things: a clear niche, consistent uploads, and a way to pitch your value. Here's the truth. Brands care more about audience alignment than audience size. A 5,000 subscriber finance channel is way more valuable to a fintech app with a 500K variety channel. Pitch brands directly, show them your audience cares, and prove that you can deliver attention. Even better, start by mentioning them in your videos for free. Tag them, build goodwill, then reach out. Your first deal might be $100, then $500, then $2,000. It stacks fast. Method 4, YouTube memberships and Patreon. If you got a small but loyal audience, this one is gold. People want to support creators they love, but they need a reason. That's where memberships come in. Offer them behind-the-scenes access, early uploads, exclusive videos, private discords, live question and answer calls. You don't need hundreds of fans. You just need 20. If 20 people pay you $5 per month, that's $100 per month reoccurring. Then it grows, and you've built a stable base that pays you before the video even drops. Loyalty monetized. Community overviews. Method 5. YouTube AdSense, the truth. Yes, AdSense is real money, but it's not where you start, it's where you scale. Here's how to think about it. AdSense is your bonus check. It kicks in when you hit 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours. But here's the trick. Not all views are created equal. A 10-minute video in the finance niche can earn 20 times more than a prank video. Why? Advertisers pay for intent. So if you want AdSense to work, create searchable, evergreen content like how-tos, reviews, tutorials, and guides. The longer they watch, the more you earn. So here's what you can do right now. Step 1, look at your last 3 videos. Ask what product, tool, or resource could I recommend and add an affiliate link. Step 2, think of a digital product your viewers will love. It gotta be simple, fast, and useful, and build it. Step 3, identify 3 brands, align with your content, and draft a pitch. Start the convo. Step 4, Launch a $5 membership and give your top fans something extra. Step 5. Plan 2 evergreen videos. Optimize for watch time, plant a seed for AdSense. You don't need to do all 5 at once, but you do need to just pick one and go hard. You'll feel the shift. The truth is, YouTube doesn't just grow audiences, it builds income, freedom, and options. But only if you stop waiting and start building your monetization engine. If this video helped you, drop a like so I know to make more just like it. And if you want the full breakdown, including tools, links, and templates to help, check the description. I'll see you on the next one. Keep creating and keep stacking. Let's build something real. If you want to do it online, do it like a Smith.